If you're experiencing the Roblox Matchmaking error 2025, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back to gaming. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi or switch to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Close the Roblox application completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the connection and clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you're playing Roblox through a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve any issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. Step 4. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the app or reinstall the application if necessary. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily. These services can interfere with Roblox's connection and cause errors. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the matchmaking error and enjoy your Roblox experience without interruptions.